A very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. So today the class is inductive reasoning, and in inductive reasoning we will study numeracy skill. So first of all, you must understand the meaning of numeracy skill. Numeracy skill is the ability to solve mathematical problems of your daily life in a very easy manner. How? If you say, for example, you go to grocery shopping or you go to market for some shopping for your purchasing, then what you do? You do operations of mathematics, like you do subtraction, you do addition, you give some change to shopkeeper. So in these type of tricks, in these types of operations, in these type of daily life activities, we use some tricks that will help you in improving your calculation. So first I want to give you one trick, that if you have to find the square of any number, if you have to find the square of any number from the number 1 to number 1000. Yes, the collection is very large. From number 1 to number 1000, how will we calculate? In just 2 minutes. Let's start. First of all, you know very well the square of 1 is? The square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. These are very easy. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81. And square of 10 is 100. I expect that all of you must know the squares up to this 9. Okay, you must learn, or you must know the squares of 1 to 9 on your tip. Now, if I say I have to find the square of 17, I have to find the square of 17. What will I do? I will multiply 17 and 17 2 times. This is normal multiplication. You all will do this, but I am giving you one trick to calculate this square in just 1 minute. Let's see. For example, if I have to calculate the square of 17, what will I do? First, I will multiply the first digit, that is 1, with second digit, that is 7, with the power, and the power is 2. Okay, so 1 multiplies 7 multiply 2 will give you 14. Now, what will I do? I will do the square of first digit. First digit is 1. Square of 1 is 1. But you need 2 digit number. So if you have 1 and you have to make that in 2 digit, what will you do? You will just add 0 before 1. It will become 2 digit. Very good. Now, what will I do? I will do the square of second digit. And second digit is now 7. So 7. Square of 7 is 49. I will write here. Okay. What I have done, first I multiplied these 1, 7 and 2. I am writing here. Now what will I do? I will square first digit and I will make it in 2 digit. I will square 7 and I will write here. Now what will you do? You will write this part, this 14, under this number, such that you will leave the 1 digit from right side. you will leave one digit from right side and you will write 14. Okay, I'm just leaving the one digit and then I am writing this part, that is 14. Now what will I do? I will just simply add them. It will give you 9, 4, 4, 8, 1, 1, 2 and 0 is nothing. So 289. Square of 17 is 289. You can check from simple multiplication. Let's check. 17 multiplies 17. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7 and 4 11. 1 sevens are 7. 1 ones are 1. 9, 8, 2. Very good. 289. So see students, I'm just telling you the method that will help you in improving your calculation part. You will find it very easy. Let's start with another example. If I have to find, let's take a bigger number. If I have to find the square of 37, okay, I have to find the square of 37. What will I do? First, I will multiply them. So 3 multiply 7 multiply 2. It will give you 3 sevens are 21 and 21 twos are 42. Write it here. Okay. Now what will I do? Next step is I will square 3 and square of 3 is 9, but it is a single digit. So I will add 0 to make it a 2 digit. So I will write here 3 square is 9. Now 7 square is again 49. Now how will I write 42? I will write 42 below this number such that one digit from right side will be left. So 42 here. Okay, now I will just add them. 9, 4, 2, 6, 9, 4, 3, 13. Answer is 1369. See, it's very easy. How easily I calculated the square of 37. Now let's take another example. The bigger one. Bigger one is 59. Okay. 59 square is 5. Step number 1. 5 multiply 9 multiply 2. Very good. 5 nines are 45. 45 twos are 90. Write it clear. Now second step is, what will I do? I will square 5. 5 square is 25. It is already a 2-digit number, so there is no need to add 0. I will write 25. Now 9. 9 square is 81. Very good. Now in place, below this number, I will write 90 here. So 1, 8, 9, 5, 14 and 3. So 3481 is the square of 59. This is the first trick to calculate the square of a 2-digit number. This is the trick for only 2-digit number. Now the task is you have to calculate some squares of following numbers.